everybody, welcome to today's small step upper body pull exercise. If you need a warm-up, go ahead and pause this and go do a warm-up and come back. We'll wait. Alright, first one we're going to do are called Y's to W's. Do a Y and then go down to a W. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, shake it off. In these, there's not going to be much rest time between everything. If you need more rest time, just pause it. Next, we're going to do a seated row. Sit down somewhere, grab your pretend handlebar, and just row back. Pretend like you're rowing. It's exactly what it's like. Squeeze those shoulder blades together. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Next, we're going to do some side raises. Hands by your side, and just raise your arms up. About shoulder height. Don't go too much above that, but get to your shoulder. This is slow and controlled movements. We're not doing fast. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, next we're going to do some neck curls. Supposedly this is supposed to help with the double chin. I've just added these to my personal workout, and I think it's kind of cool, so I'm sharing it with you. Find something to lay on. I used to do these on the couch, upside down, and just let your neck go down and raise up. 1, 2, 3. You can do these in your bed. 4, just someplace you can hang your neck. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As we get older, our skin drops anyway. Our face droops. Probably my least favorite part of aging. That and weight loss. I have way too much skin. All right, now we're going to do some bent over rows. Every step in my program has a bent over row. It's just what our resistance is. Right now, we're going to use our body weight. Bend over slightly. Keep that back straight. Let's grab that pretend handlebar and pull up to your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, congratulations, everybody. You've done the first set of the upper body pull for small step. Now, unless you're totally exhausted, which is okay, let's go ahead and do another set. If you're one of the tired ones, like I said, it's okay. Just keep trying. You'll eventually be able to do more. Let's go back to our Y's to W's. Y, W. Squeeze your shoulder blades together as you come down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, shake it out. Let's go do our seated rows now. Find a seat. Gotta fix that. Find the seat, grab your pretend handle, and row into your chest. 1, and you see my arms are going out like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. All right, let's get ready to do some more side raises. Hands by your side. Let's raise your arms up. Remember, slow and controlled. 1, do not shrug your shoulders. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Should be able to feel the burn now on that. All right, let's go do our neck curls. Like I said, I'm really liking this one. Find a place to lay down, hang your neck, and then lift it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't do them too fast. You'll get dizzy. 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. All right, let's do some bent over rows. Bend over slightly. Keep that back straight. Grab your pretend handlebar and pull to your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, guess what? You've done 2 sets. Great job. That's pretty good for a beginner. We're going to do one more set. Obviously, you can do as many as you want, but we're going to do one more set in here for you to follow along. So let's get ready and go back to our Y's to W's. Our Y to W. Squeeze those shoulder blades in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Let's go do our seated rows again. Find a seat, grab our handle, and pull it into your chest. 1, 2. Just a reminder, if you need a longer break between these, because I know they're short breaks, go ahead and pause the video. It'll still be here when you're ready. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Side raises. Hands by your side. Remember, slow and controlled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shake them out. Shake your arms out. All right. Nice thing about this one, let your arms take a break. Let's do our neck curls and down. 1. Remember, not fast. 2. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's do our bent over rows. And remember, this is actually in every step. It's just what we row up. Right now it's going to be body weight. Bend over slightly, keep that back straight, grab that pretend handle, and row up to your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Congratulations, you have completed 3 steps of the small steps upper body pull routine. Keep in mind there's also a upper body push, a core instability, and a lower, and maybe even a cardio. I'm not sure if I'm going to put that one out. That one's pretty tough. But if this is too easy, contact me for step 1. Have a great day.